Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 2 and Day 11. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have your Elga note, rough note, rule pencil, pen along with you. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready. Start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, let us move to our today's class. Let us see the first phonics session. In our phonics session, we learnt about some vowel diagrams. Shall we recap that? Yes. What are that? It makes a one sound. A. E-A as in A. Next, E-A-R as in A. Y as in A. O-U as in A. Do you remember this, my dear children? Yes, great, my dear children. Let us move to today's class. We will see a new short vowel diagram page. Okay? Yes. See the word, my dear children. Ta, ch, ta, ch, touch, touch. It make a one sound. What is the sound? Ta, ch, touch, 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 touch. Let us see some example for this. Short vowel sounds. Touch, touch, touch. Couple, couple, couple. Cousin, cousin, cousin. Yeah, let us see the next word, my dear children. A. O sound as in A. Sand, sand. Let us see the example sentence. Word. What sound does the letter A makes here? See the words. Sand, sand. Monkey, monkey. Honey, honey. It makes the A sound and umbrella. See that? Yes. Here O makes the A sound. Let us see the example. Glow, glow, glow. Money, money. Mother, mother. O makes the A sound if the letter comes before in earth, right? Glow, glow. Money, money. Mother, mother. Yes. Let us see the sentence. Sand, sand. Monkey, monkey. Honey, honey. Money, money. Great, my dear children. Let us see our SR book. This related vowel diagrams. You also read along with me. A short sound. A as in touch, touch. A as in couple, couple. A as in cousin, cousin. A as in trouble, trouble. A as in country, country. A as in double, double. A as in southern, southern. Great, my dear children. Next, a short sound. A as in sand. A as in honey, honey. Money, money. Monkey, monkey. Monday, Monday. Mother, mother. Brother, brother. Company, company. Wonderful, Wonderful. Nothing. Nothing. Yes, great, my dear children. Did you listen this phonics class? Yes, I'll give you 10 seconds time, or you have to pause the video, then read this. Use the vowel sounds. These are all called short vowel sounds. Great, Kutima. Let us move to our whole word session. In our yesterday's class, we learned some new whole words. Let us recap today now. Yes. Fulfill, fulfill, fulfill. Often, often, often. Cost, cost, cost. Herself, herself, herself. Ever, ever, ever. Once again, you also read along with me. Fulfill, fulfill. Often, often. Cost, cost. Herself, herself. Ever, ever. Yes, I'll give you 30 seconds time. You have to read these words. Did you read these words, my dear children? Great. Shall we do one worksheet from this related whole word session? Yes. This is worksheet number 16, question number 1. Read the passage and circle the whole words. I will read this passage. You listen carefully. You have to find out the whole words now. Okay? Then you have to write down your rough note. Okay? Yes, Sophia often dreamed of dancing on the stage. Many months ago, an accident had caused her a knee injury. But now, she pushed herself every day to get better. Finally, the teacher saw her hard work. She got her a chance to be an stage for the first time ever. Her dreams were fulfilled. Did you listen that, my dear children? Did you find out the whole words here? Yes, see the first one. Often. Next, where it is having cost, herself, fulfill, ever. Right? Great, my dear children. You have to write down your rough note this like, okay? Yes. Now, let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session. In our yesterday's class, we read one story from our ESSA book. Do you remember that? Yes. What is that? Isaac and the wind. Right? Yes. Today, we are going to fill one worksheet from this related story. Okay, my dear children? Yes. You don't have a ESSA book. That's why I will read this passage again. The story, Isaac and the Wind, written by Kartikeya Gupta, illustrator Giti Benha. There was a young boy named Isaac. He was always curious and eager to know about things. Sometimes he would find himself in trouble because he would go to extreme lengths to find answers to his questions. However, this never stopped him from his explorations. Things that the other found ordinary fascinated him. Next page. One time there was a terrible windstorm on the farm. His mother was worried that the wind might break the gates, doors, and shutters. She wanted to make sure there wasn't anything flapping in the wind. So she sent Isaac out of to check the farm buildings and fences. Many hours later, when he did not return, his mother became worried for his safety. So she went out looking for him. When she finally found Newton, she was amused to see him jumping off a fence over and over again in the middle of a windstorm. When his mother asked him about it, he said that he wanted to know if the wind had enough force to carry him in the air or not. Such was Newton's eagerness to learn about things. This scientific temperament and approach led him to discover and invent many things. Did you listen to the story, my dear children? Yes. Let us see our worksheet number 16, question number 2. This is your worksheet number 16, question number 2, A to E here. Then next page having some more questions. Let us see that answers now. My dear children, before we are going to see this question and answer, we will discuss about the main idea of the story. Filled house diagram. Do you know about this? Yes. See that? He was always curious and eager to know about things. Then he wanted to know whether the wind had enough force to carry him in air or not. He had gotten to thinking about how strong the wind was. So he completely forgot everything else. So my dear children, this is the Isaac Newton's diagram, right? What is the main idea? The main idea is that Isaac was extremely curious and eager to learn about things. This is the main idea of the story. Do you understand, my dear children? Great. Let us move to our worksheet question and answers. See the first question. Why was Isaac jumping off a fence again and again? Isaac was jumping off the fence again and again because he wanted to see if the wind had enough force to carry him in air or not. See the second question, my dear children. What did Isaac's mother do after waiting for a long time? After waiting for a long time, Isaac's mother went out looking for him. See the C question. What do you understand by the word approach? Tick the correct answer. The answer is a way of dealing with something. Yes. Next, D question. What is the main idea of the passage? Give supporting details. The main idea of the passage, Isaac and the wind, is that Isaac was extremely curious and eager to learn about things. The details from the passage that support the main idea are: first one, he was always curious and eager to know about things. Such was the Newton's eagerness to learn about things. Next, D question. What did Isaac go out to check? Isaac went out to check if the farm buildings and fences were okay. F question. What kind of a person was Newton? Give evidence from the passage to support your answer. Isaac was passionate and courageous person. I know this because even during the storm, he was involved in science. He was not scared of the storm at all. Right, my dear children? This is your worksheet question and answer 16 and 17. Okay? You have to write down your rough note. Okay? After getting your notebook, you have to fill your workbook. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the grammar session. In our grammar session, we learnt about the subject, verb, object and adverb. That is mean we need to see the picture. We have to find out the subject, verb, object, adverb. Right? Then and we add a new sentences from that. Do you remember that? What we learnt from our grammar class? We look at the picture. Then we will find out a subject, verb, object, adverb and we add a new sentences like that. Okay? Right? Do you remember, my dear children? Great, Kutima. From today's class, let us check out the answers from yesterday's class. What I gave that? Yes, worksheet number 13, question number 2. Did you complete that? Yes. See that this is the worksheet number 13, question number 2. Complete each sentence by looking at the picture and questions. Where are the boys running? How are they running? See that subject, verb, object, adverb. The boys are running. See the object, the road or street. Adverb, yes, quickly. That is the adverb. I'll read a sentence again. The boys are running on the road quickly. Next, see the picture. Who is the dog barking at? How is the dog barking? See the subject. The dog is barking at. What is the object? The woman. Adverb, loudly. I'll read the sentence again. The dog is barking at the woman loudly. The dog is barking at the woman loudly. Great, Kutima. Next, see question. We have to complete the sentence. See the picture and we have to complete the sentence. What are the people doing? How are they doing the action? The people are looking at the tree or Xmas tree happily. The people are looking at the tree happily. Let us see the D question. Who is speaking and where? How is she speaking? See that? She's a girl, right? The girl is speaking on the stage confidently. See the subject, verb, object and adverb. Yes. Who is speaking and where? How is she speaking? The girl is speaking on the stage confidently. So, my dear children, did you write like this? Great, my dear children. Let us see the worksheet number 18, question number 1. Using the words given in the table, make 2 sentences of each of the following types. That and all, see that subject, verb plus object, subject, verb, adverb, subject, verb, adjective. Here are all some words given to the table column, right? Yes. Let us see the one example sentence, subject, verb, adverb. Dog barking loudly. Dog is a subject. Barking is a verb. Loudly is a adverb. This is the example sentence. See this, my dear children. The dog is barking loudly. Subject, verb, adverb. What is that? The dog is barking loudly. Subject, verb, adverb. Do you understand, my dear children? Now, my dear children, we are going to use these words to, you have to write down two sentences using the words given in the table, each following types. What are that? Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, adverb. Subject, verb, adjective. Right? Yes, we are going to write like this and send it in our group. I will show 30 seconds what I read this. Okay? Ria is reading a book. Sonam drinks juice. Sonam is naughty. Tia speaks loudly. Sonam is curious. Dia is happy. Just I read the sentence, but you have to write down in your notebook subject, verb, object in bracket. You have to use these words. Just I show the answers. Okay? You have to identify that, my dear children. So you are going to identify the grammar parts. Okay? Let us move to our writing and speaking expression skill. This is from full and full years only. From our yesterday's class, what we wrote some, yes, uses of electricity. Did you complete that sentences? Yes, I hope you are all complete. Using cups and arms strategy, right? Did you use that and completed your sentence? Yes. Today you are going to publish your articles. What you have to do? Today you are going to publish your articles. Now you are going to take a new page. You have to write down neat and clearly. Use the cursive writings. Why we are using a cursive writing? Because we have to write neatly, right? So my dear children, once again you have to take a new page. You have to use the cursive writing, and also you have to use the cups and arms strategy, and also you have to do like this. Publish your articles. Okay? If you are complete means you have to send our WhatsApp group. Great, my dear children. So let us recap today's class. Yes, in our phonics session, we saw a short vowel sounds A, right? Next, in our whole word session, we have to recap our whole words. Fulfill, often, ever, cost and herself. We saw one worksheet also. Then reading and listening comprehension. We read that story from Isaac Newton. We will complete one. What we have to complete it? Our worksheet. Worksheet number 16 and 17. Then grammar part, we have to recap that. Subject, verb, object and adverb. Use the pictures. Then we checked our worksheet answers, and also I give one homework for that, right? Then writing and speaking expression, you are going to publish your article. Okay, my dear children, and also I will give one homework from that. See this, you have to pause the video, take your 4 rule note. You have to write this. 3 times is enough in your 4 rule note, okay? Great, my dear children. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning.